here. All right, hold on. There's one for you. You get that guy?
Got that guy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, that little cell. He might be too scared.
Here he comes.
I could be wrong about that. Come on, baby.
Come on.
Baby. He's like, I see something out there. Oh, here he comes. Here you go, baby. Here you go, baby. Here, sweetie. Here you go, baby.
Let it go. Here, this guy will come in. He's a fat guy. He'll get it. There you go.
He's like, oh. Squirrel. That's a big guy. Hey! Yes, but these birds, they can't break. You see him?
He's probably, here he is right there. He's, if you turn around, you'll see him. Maureen's right here on the table.